And this looks like business cards. You know, I wonder how people do those unboxing videos with one hand. They must just have like a stand for their phone. Maybe that's what I need for Christmas, right? A cell phone tripod. Is that what I need? Oh yeah, look at those. Those are nice. Aren't those nice? Yeah. Now this is just the regular business card. Now this used to be called premium, but I think it's called standard now because it's just the regular weight with the, as you can see the light bouncing there, the glossy front and then a matte back. So I have black and white printing on the back because I wanted to drive people to my website and to my new course site. So you can see there, buildingwealthtogether.teachable.com. You can also go to jjconway.teachable.com, but that was before, that was a change after I ordered these. But you can see here, they're very nice cards. They're nice and stiff. They're not too big. You can also get them with different options. So one of the options I had wanted to do was the glossy, which would have put a raised glossy finish over a UV coating kind of thing over the seal, and in their demo it had it over these lines but only halfway, so it was glossy up to here and it was glossy up to here, and then the seal was glossy, and it really would have looked nice, but I wanted to get it glossy all the way and I couldn't find a way to do that. I'm sure if you contact their design team though, they're super friendly and very helpful and they can help you do that. Alright, I'm JJ Conway. You can find me on the web at many different websites, because there's a third one.